Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here for two unboxings for two separate Israel boxes that I received. So the first one I'm going to do is Lev Ha'am. I know that's more popular on my channel. And then I'm going to unbox the new one that I received. So I did receive my September box. I didn't do an unboxing, but I'm sorry, I received September box. So I'm so happy that I actually received my October box. And then on the same day, I received my Israel pack box. So then I can do a comparison. But first, I'm going to do the Lev Ha'am. So then if you just want to watch the Lev Ha'am, you can. And then if you want to see the other unboxing and have a comparison, then you're welcome to stay and watch that as well. So thank you so much if you're new. And this box is very popular. There's so many unboxings. So this box is actually $99 a month and you receive lots of goodies. You get wine, you get olive oil. You can opt out not to get wine. Like there's, you get face products. It's all like bio products. So it's all natural. So it's just fun. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. So this is how it comes. So all I did was cut the tape and this is how it comes. And then it also is packaged with plastic now, which is perfect. So yeah. So this month, let's see, it says The Gift of Melody. So this is a QR for a song. And yeah. So if you want to pause it and read it, you can. And here's the book right here, Songs of Judea. Oh, very nice. So you can do the QR, the QR. No, it's just QR. The QR code, and then you'll be able to hear the song. So that is really cool. This is something new. I like this. Oh, this is going to be nice. I'm going to take this with me on my trip, actually. And this will be fun to listen to with the family. And then I will just pull out every month you get a book. So yes, October 2020. I was so excited to see this because it takes forever, it feels like. And then it shows all the products, all the owners. So it's really fun. And some are repeated owners of their repeated shop owners. So then you'll get different things from the same shop, which I really like. So first off, this is a Judean hill. So the theme is Judea. So right here is the Judean Hills herbal mixture. And oh, nice. So you can put on chicken or fish. And they actually have a recipe without MSG. And it's just herbs, garlic, and salt. And I am taking that with me on my trip. Next, let's see what are the food products. Oh, yum. Is it Rachelli's cookie box? So it is baked and packed with love. Very nice. I will try this with the family. Looks really healthy. I mean, this would be good, very good with tea or coffee, it looks like. And then last month I received tea, actually. And almonds. So the almond tree has blossomed in the land of Israel since ancient times and was recognized by Jacob as a gift worthy of Egyptian royalty due to its choice status among Israeli fruit. So we have some almonds, and we love almonds in our house. So you go. And one nice thing too with this is there's no preservative. It's preservatives free, no added colors. And see, that's the only thing is if you have a nut allergy, yeah, that would make it a little hard to get the box, but you can always gift it to somebody else as well. Okay, and this month, oh nice, we get some anti-aging cream, which I get this so often. It's really nice. I love their creams and stuff. And this is a moisturizing mask. So that I am looking forward to as well. And I like it too because they have the expiration date on the bottom. And Yeah. So, and then I can just, if you want to see real quick, you can see what it looks like. It comes like this. I just have to smell it. Let's see. Oh, I smell herbs on it. Let's see. Well, I can smell a little bit. It smells good. There's something else on there that I'm smelling. I think that I've lifted up with my fingers. So, all right. So we put this to the side. And then more jewelry. So Hadass jewelry design. Oh, that's pretty. When I was in Israel, I actually got a necklace that was similar to that. So I would probably give this to my daughter. Oh, that's beautiful. If you want to pause it and read it. Oh, I like the little designs. It's pretty. And then, so, oh, that smells good. I'm not sure what herb that is, so maybe we can flip through the book real quick. Oh, okay. Israel on the news, Hadass Jewelry, exclusive blue clay company. So those are featured companies. So let's see real quick if they talk about the herbs. Oh, maybe this is Jerusalem herb. I'm not sure. Oh, it smells really good though. It almost smells like tea, but I'm thinking maybe this is the herb that they're saying to mix. But yes. And there is one more thing in the box. Let me get some scissors. I'm glad they wrapped it up good at least. I want to say this is possibly wine. Wow. Oh, white wine this month. So yes, it's white wine. Nice. Okay, so that took 8 minutes. So let's see if we can go through the other box a little faster. So what I'm probably gonna do, I'm gonna show you what it looks like all wrapped up. And then I'm gonna take everything out the box and we can kind of do a comparison. And then you can see this so far has been my favorite box, but I've only received the Israel pack 3 times, and then one time they made a mistake. So yeah, but they corrected it. They did reimburse our money, and I give that to them. Their customer service is awesome. So for this one, oh, this is perfect. Israeli hospitality. So I'm just going to show you. So I just really like how their presentation is as well. And just show you, see, they wrap everything individually, which is very cool. Like here. And here. So if you want to pause it really quick. I just didn't want to take a lot of time to unbox this on camera. So I'm just gonna unpackage it and then you can see what's in here. And that is it. So let me unpackage everything and then you can see what I received in my Israeli pack. And they also had like I'll insert a picture of how it was wrapped, and it was wrapped as well to protect the box. So that's why it looks so nice and clean, because they do pack it awesome, both companies. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So once again, so these boxes are both the same price. They're both $99. I did get a discount with this first box with the promotion, and then because they had sent a second box and it was all the same products, they actually gave me a box. They gave me a box for free. So I just want to do a quick comparison, but I thought it was interesting that they have some of the same products. Like, I have done this tea before through the Lev Ha'am box, but they've actually given us, I think it was 9 different kinds. Here they give you 2, but the bags look a little bigger. So there's the tea. And then I thought it was interesting they sent this because in a previous box I received this beautiful painting. So we are going to open this and see what's inside. And this is, it's heavy, it's beautiful. You see the layers? It is gorgeous. This artist is amazing. So I am curious to see what is in this one for this month. Oh, wow. So it says Hotel. Oh my gosh, I'm going to chop these words. The hotel represents the shared history and future that bind us together as people. This piece is a reminder of our deep connection and of what is most important as we go about our day-to-day lives. Hang me on the wall. The original painting is a perfect home decor item that tells a story and binds us all together as individuals. The unique artwork with a French accent from the heart of Israel will make you feel extra. So it's Jean somebody. So this is it. That's pretty. So you can see the size difference. And then this one actually has like a stand to it. This one doesn't. But they're both pretty. I'm so happy to have that. So this is, I guess, part of his mini collection. In here, put me on your, I don't know how to say that, challah bread. Add a dash of color and style to your Sabbath and Holy Day table. Unique fusion of traditional Jewish motifs and modern art. If your heart is longing for Israel, this challah cover is just for you. Oh, you know what? My husband, when we were in Israel, he actually got something from this same artist. So that is really cool. So that makes sense why you also have the yeast to make bread. And then here, let's see, spread on for bread, dessert or challah, you bake. I'm probably saying that wrong. And you won't be disappointed. Israelis, yep, it's date honey. In soups, salads, main courses, and desserts. So you get that. And then I feel, I'll give you my thoughts in a minute. And this is, excuse me, a aromatic oil. It says, apply me onto your skin or put me on your air filter. So it's an oil, jojoba, and that's a bergamot. Cool. So now you have seen both boxes really quick. You can see for yourself the items here. And you can see for yourself the items here. I personally like Lev Ha'am. I like their variety of products, because every month you get some kind of herb, you get some kind of treat, you get some kind of face or some kind of body cream, something, and then a wine or olive oil. And we have gotten like date syrup before, but I just feel like for the price for this, you're paying the same price. I mean, I'm sure this oil, and I think they have pricing aside, but I'm sure that oil is, it can be expensive. I don't know if they have a price. I know before it seems like they had like a price comparison. Oh, that's cool. And they show you how to make the bread at least. So if I was to personally recommend a box, I like both because they have their own unique style. I would definitely recommend Lev Ha'am. I do like the Israel pack, but I've been getting Lev Ha'am now. I forgot to say my year anniversary was August. I don't know if I said that, but it's a year anniversary of August when we started getting the box. So I don't know if because I've gotten this box first, or you know, I just feel like this is chock full of stuff. This, I feel like it's good, but like I probably would use a lot more of this. It would be nice to make bread, but that's the thing, you can kind of get yeast anywhere. The date honey I get regularly. The tea I've gotten before, and I would say my favorite product would be this, and probably the oil. I have to try the oil, but those are probably my two favorite items. I look forward to using this when I go to the States. So there we go. Now you have a comparison. You can make your choice. I'm not sponsored or anything, so I don't have a code to give or whatever, but if you go to like look up this box right here, you can get a discount on your first box for the Israel pack. I'm not sure for Lev Ha'am, but I don't care. Like, I will pay the money for this box because I like all the products. So they always have something good in their boxes. So thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad you joined me, and I'm glad you got an idea of two separate boxes and you got my personal opinion. And yes, I will continue getting Lev Ha'am because I do feel like it is definitely worth the money. And I will continue this maybe for a little bit because I like the unique items, but we will see if I continue this in 2021. So thank you so much for stopping by. And I hope y'all have a blessed day. And leave a comment below saying if you liked tell me what is your favorite, and tell me if you get the Lev Ha'am or the Israel pack, and which one do you think is more value for your buck. So thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Bye.